New York will not begin issuing adult use licenses until 2023. And a new Army study found that recruits with cannabis history are not riskier than any other recruits. This is Gary with Veriheal, keeping you up to date on the latest cannabis news. The head of New York's Cannabis Control Board said last week that she does not envision the state will begin issuing industry licenses until the spring of 2023 at the earliest. Governor Hochul only appointed members to the board in September, and Hochul was not governor when the legalization bill was passed last March. The board also declared the practice of gifting cannabis, including gifting with the purchase of another product, illegal. Adult use sales have already commenced under the jurisdiction of several New York tribes, while state regulators have been slow to get licensing underway. Next, the American Medical Association has found that states that decriminalize or legalize cannabis have had a significant decrease amongst race-related arrests among adults. While it seems obvious, the study using research from Eastern Virginia Medical School and St. Louis University found across 43 states a trend indicating the pattern. The researchers found that states that legalized cannabis saw 561 fewer arrests per 100,000 black people and 195 fewer arrests for white people on average over that time period. The researchers also found that juveniles were arrested less through decriminalization rather than legalization. In our last story, the Army has had stringent restrictions on cannabis use among recruits, but a recent study suggests that their bias might be unfounded. A recent study by the RAND Corporation did not find any evidence that soldiers with prior cannabis use were riskier than those who did not. The researchers analyzed thousands of soldiers who enlisted in the Army despite past cannabis use. The use of cannabis remains a disqualifying offense for potential Army recruits. One key measure where they performed almost the exact same was with a re-enlistment. The Rand Arroyo Center is the Army's sole federally funded research and development center for studies and analysis. So go ahead and like this video and give us a follow at Veriheal to stay up to date on the latest in cannabis news. Thanks for watching.